The article, Differences Between SDLC and Agile Development by Kate Mironenko, discusses the specificity, advantages, disadvantages, differences, and use cases of Agile and SDLC in software development. Agile methodology is based on iterative and incremental processes of product development, repeating them till it ends. Agile is about interactions versus processes, working software over detailed documentation, interaction with clients versus contract-based negotiation, response to change rather than following a plan. 1. Interactions versus processes. Agile software development focuses on clarifying common goals. During the retrospective meetings, workers share their progress, challenges, and feelings that improves performance. 2. Working software over detailed documentation. Agile does not focus on strict documentation, but crafts the working product during different stages of development, enhancing its flexibility to changing requirements. 3. Interaction with clients versus contract-based negotiation. Agile is open to the client's integration into the development process, enabling both parties to speak up on the needed alterations, making the product adaptable. 4. Response to change rather than following a plan. Agile divides product development by short time intervals, iterations, instead of following the structured plan. The iterations last 1 to 4 weeks, after which the client can see the actual progress of the developed software version. Agile methodologies are Scrum, Extreme Programming, Feature-Driven Development, Kanban. Scrum is about inter-team collaborations, which uses 3 to 5 to 3 model to approach the work, including product owner, Scrum Master, and developer. Scrum works via 5 events: Sprint, Planning, Daily Scrum, Sprint Review, and Sprint Retrospective. Extreme Programming. Extreme Programming is about shorter development cycles of 1 to 2 week iterations that focuses on completing the prioritized tasks and requires less documentation. Feature-Driven Development, FDD, is about product development for satisfying clients' needs. FDD focuses on documentation and ensures on-time delivery. Kanban is a visualization system for working progress, which comprises 4 stages: to do, in progress, testing, and done. Kanban focuses on uninterrupted workflow. Agile advantages include accuracy in prediction. Short iterations enable developers to assess the scope of work, timeframes, and costs. Flexibility for late changes. The Agile approach accepts alterations by enabling the clients keep competitive advantage. Agile disadvantages. Dependency on communication. Continuous conversations about goal adherence may disrupt the worker's progress. Lack of documentation. Agile software is delivered on time, leading to the lack of time for preparing a proper documentation, causing misunderstanding. The Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC, is the framework that helps developers craft high-quality software, focusing on a structured approach to task completion. SDLC advantages. Risk management. SDLC is about early detection and prevention of potential issues. Effective collaboration. Step-by-step communication on software development and the parties' expectations. SDLC disadvantages. Set framework. SDLC is rigid and structured in planning, which complicates the implementation of changes. No space for errors. The features cannot be altered, so the developer's tech decisions must be precise to avoid errors. The differences between Agile and SDLC. Flexibility and adaptability. SDLC is rigid and resistant to changes, except incremental methodologies, while Agile is flexible and adaptable. Cooperation and feedback. SDLC includes minimal cooperation, like handoffs between analysts, developers, etc. Product owners are involved during the initial planning and product delivery. By contrast, Agile daily communication between the cross-functional teams. Product owners provide active feedback during the regular intervals. Project management in SDLC. Project management is structured and focused on the sequential completion of the predefined phases. In Agile, it is adaptive and iterative use. Cases SDLC should be used when the requirements are clear, with limited change of in-project alterations. Additionally, you can use SDLC when the scope of work and tools are clarified from the very beginning of the project. You can apply Agile for the projects with dynamic in-cycle changes, focusing on the fast delivery of the software-ready feature with continuous updates. Thank you for watching.